Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to repair Windows 7 and fix corrupt files without any installation media. Click Start button. Click Shutdown with Restart. During restart, press F8 key. Press Enter button to choose Repair your computer. Select a keyboard input method. Press Next. Enter your username and password and press OK. 5 more repair tools are available here. In this tutorial we have to choose Startup Repair. Click Finish. Click Restart. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.